Yeah, so here we are in the gallery that has been deep by FilterPixel. Now, like I said beforehand, it is different compared to an actual, just a regular AI cull that bases it off just generic things. This is actually a much more in-depth thought about the whole process. And I just want to kind of break it down for you a little bit more. The details is filtered. The things that I found that really a big benefit to me as a creative photographer and somebody who's obviously got high volume that I have to deal with, and obviously high demands for delivery times to help myself and my clients. Okay, 1001 photos, and it's broken it down to the category of the best photos, the review section, the rejected section, and the advanced filters. Been amazing so far for me, and there's still work to be done, so it's excellent. But we'll dive on in here. So obviously we've got 7,132 photos. It'll then obviously pick the best photos here. Obviously 2,500 best photos from the gallery. Now, obviously, it's selection built on storytelling, emotion, composition, lighting. So it's taking all these factors into place. You'll go, okay, I'm not too sure on AI culling. I don't mind the editing, but I'm not too sure on the culling, right? And purely down for the fact that people don't trust it. There might be photos in there that aren't necessarily what you want, or photos in there that you may want they've gone to a different section, like the reviewed or rejected. Now, this is trying to cut that down. So your manual work is a lot less compared to obviously the AI work helping you, okay? The selection process is so quick, it's so easy, it's so simple. And like I said, for high volume photographers, wedding photographers like myself, conference photographers, sports, and if you do like school photography, something that needs to have a quick turnaround time, fast delivery times, high pressure, I would definitely recommend Pixel. Like I said, a great product to use. The results are getting better and better every time I use it. Like I said, it saved me obviously 5 hours and 56 minutes just on this gallery alone. That I can go off, I can make dinner, I can obviously be with my family, I can do other bits for business to maximize obviously profits with things like that. The thing that I like is giving you obviously a overall quality score, and it's kind of making you a better photographer in a sense, right? For me, like here, it's giving obviously the emotional expression, the focus sharpness, obviously the group attention, the storytelling, the composition, framing, storytelling, key moments. So it's giving you all these bits of feedback, and obviously rating the score out of 10, which I think is pretty cool. So obviously you can go through them, and it's quite obviously quick how you do it, because you can go from one section to the next section, right? Whichever one you wanting to do, it's completely up to you, and you can do that throughout obviously all the sections as well. But ultimately, if you wanted to try this out, this is a software that obviously I highly recommend. I've been in the wedding photography industry now for over 10 years. I've used a lot of AI software since I've come out. I've used manual culling. I've used, like I said, other culling softwares that were used before AI came out. But I definitely think this is one of the best ones that I've ever used. That's just